Hello everyone, I am Abhinav Gupta from third year. Today my topic is major searching and sorting techniques. So let's see overview of searching and sorting. Searching, process of finding a specific element in a dataset called searching. Sorting, organizing data into a specific order for easier processing. Why is it important? Essential for data organization, optimization, and retrieval. Form the foundation for advanced algorithms. Let's see linear search. Definition. Sequentially check each element until the target is found. Its advantages are simple, work on unsorted datasets. Its disadvantages is inefficient for large datasets. Its time complexity is order of n. Binary search. Definition. Divides the dataset into halves, compare the middle element. Its advantages: fast for sorted data. Disadvantages: requires sorted data sets. Its time complexity is order of log n. Its use cases: searching in sorted array. Let's see bubble sort. Its definition is repeatedly swaps adjacent element if they are in wrong order. Its advantages are simple and easy to implement. Its disadvantages is inefficient for large datasets. Its time complexity is order of n square. Its use cases: educational purposes. Let's see selection sort. Definition: select the smallest element and swap it with the first unsorted element. Its advantages: simple implementation. Its disadvantages: not suitable for large datasets. Time complexity order of n square. Its use cases: small datasets. Let's see merge sort. Definition: divides the array into halves, recursively sorts and merges them. Its advantages are stable and efficient. Disadvantages: requires additional memory. Time complexity order of n log n. Use case: large datasets. Let's see quick sort. Picks a pivot, partition the array and recursively sorts. Its advantages: fast for large datasets. Disadvantages: worst case performance can be order of n square. Its time complexity is order of n log n average. Use case: general purpose sorting. Let's see comparison of different techniques on the basis of algorithm: best case, worst case, stable, use case. Linear search. So best case of linear search is order of 1. Linear search worst case is order of n. Is it stable? Yes. Its use case is small data sets. Binary search. Best case of binary search is order of 1. Worst case of binary search order of log n. Is it stable? No. Its use case is sorted data sets. Bubble sort. Best case of bubble sort is order of n. Worst case of bubble sort order of n square. Is it stable? Yes. Its use case: teaching basics. Merge sort. Its best case is order of n log n. Its worst case also order of n log n. Is it stable? Yes. Its use case is large datasets. Quick sort. Best case of quick sort order of n log n. Worst case of quick sort order of n square. Is it stable? No. Its use case: general purpose. Let's see final conclusion. Searching and sorting are fundamental techniques in computer science. Efficient algorithms are crucial for performance in real-world applications. Understanding these methods prepare you for advanced topics like databases and AI. Thank you.